In more trouble for YouTuber Elvish Yadav, the Enforcement Directorate has now stepped in. The Lucknow unit of ED has registered a case against Elvish Yadav under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and sources indicate that Elvish and his aides could be summoned for questioning. They could be questioned in the next few days. So what exactly is the charge against this former winner of reality TV show? The charge against him is that he and his accomplices, his aides, organized rave parties. In this connection, there is already a Noida police FIR. At these rave parties, the allegation is that snake venom was given to those who attended these parties. This is in complete violation of the Wildlife Act. The case against Elvish Yadav, which was originally registered by Noida Police, also brought in charges under the NDPS Act, the Narcotics and Psychotropic Substance Act. Sections under those were also evoked. Even though Elvish said that he was not guilty and that he was being targeted, Enforcement Directorate, sources say, has found enough evidence to suggest that these rave parties, the amount that was generated, the money that was generated from these rave parties, were then laundered. How were they laundered? Was the Hawala route used? Were the parties themselves a way to turn the ill-gotten wealth from other proceeds of crime into white money? Was that the reason why these parties were organized? These are all questions that Enforcement Directorate wants to put to Elvish Yadav. Now, last year, an NGO had first complained that Elvish Yadav, the former YouTuber, the former reality TV owner, he was indulging in psychotropic substances, giving snake venom, and there was a lot of hue and cry back then. But then subsequently, Noida Police found enough material, enough substance to take him into custody, and now the ED has also stepped in. Money laundering charges have been evoked against him, and Enforcement Directorate's Lucknow unit is preparing to question Elvish Yadav. Let me just give you a background about the sections that the Noida Police had evoked against Elvish. There were 5 other accused, all snake charmers who were arrested in November. Later, they were given bail by a local court. So the charge against Elvish was that from these local snake charmers, he would procure snakes, some of whom were protected species, and then extract their venom, and then at his rave parties, the sale of his high-ticket rave parties was just this, that he was allowing his customers to avail the snake venom, which was not something that is allowed in law. Various sections were imposed against Elvish and his co-accused by the Sector 49 police station in Noida. When the Enforcement Directorate has stepped in, what they are also looking at, other than the other charges of money laundering, was what is the Hawala route that was taken. Noida Police's investigation was looking at snake trafficking. Like I said, some of these snakes were protected species, so Noida Police was looking at snake trafficking. ED is also looking as to whether for trafficking of these snakes also ill-gotten wealth, proceeds of crime, is utilized. So the main FIR of Noida Police is something that the ED is building on to prove its PMLA charges against Elvish Yadav.